Welcome back. It's been a short hiatus. Berto's been to Mexico about 3 times since the 3 or 4. Yeah, Berto's been to Mexico 4 times since the last time we posted a YouTube video. So that's why you haven't seen us much.
And he's been busy starting his own business. So we started looking for a new cameraman since Berto agreed he didn't have time. Then Berto comes back and goes, you know what? I kind of feel like I have the time and I'll do it. So,
and you don't have to pay me.
and you don't have to pay me. It's like a great deal, right?
I was like, I can't really say no.
He costs us more money though with his car and and all that. But anyway, we've been busy working. Long story short, Berto's back, and here's your recap on where we are and what we're doing.
Carrera Performance TV.
Yeah, follow all of us.
She just finished up putting a 426 in his Jeep.
So this is kind of like basically it's like a stock truck with a 426, which is not stock. So it's not really a big racer.
Headers, cam, NA compression, should make good power.
You know, base stuff.
We got this 1,000-mile 2020 or 2021.
It's a 2021.
2021 10-speed ZL1. We're about to do a pump gas package on with no meth.
This car literally, the guy bought it. He put some decals on it and brought it here.
Stage 3 BTR cam and Kong Stage X. So it should make some good boost. And honestly, I think it might be able to run 9s in that setup.
392
Durango
right now.
Waffle.
So this car actually, this guy won our waffle. So you know our waffle was real. This guy actually invested $300 in it, bought 3 spots, and he won. And he won a $10,000 bill. So on top of that, winning that for free, to go ahead and do a forged motor and a Whipple system and really go all the way. That is actually a 10,000-mile truck. That truck's pretty new. And yeah, so that's where that's going. You got over here, you got, that's a good customer, friend of ours also, Jimmy. This thing's, that's a really clean WS6 F body.
You can see the motor.
That's getting right there, that's the motor under it. It's getting a full CTSV swap. So it's gonna be LSA, full motor, everything out of a CTSV. And it's getting like full suspension. You see the subframe the motor sitting on is tubular. All that stuff.
You guys might have seen this before. We did a few cosmetics on it. And now he's here for our close to 1,000 horsepower package. It's gonna be a max effort Jeep, full bolt-on, ported blower. Should make, I wanna say 9 to 950, but I've seen them make close to 1,000. Greg's waiting on me to send this blower off. He said that he's got some special stuff for this car. While you guys were gone, this thing was broken for like the entire time.
The entire time, literally, the entire time. We had issues. Basically, what happened in Texas, I don't know if we've been over this already, but the cylinder 1 injector stuck wide open. Spring cruising is around. We take it to spring cruising in Ocean City, and literally one hit, it rips the crank pin off the crank pulley.
We were about to get ready for FL2K, but now our eyes are set on SEMA, so.
Yeah, and we're just kind of busy. It's a lot of shit going on.
Yeah,
you got John's car over there and Tony's coming in.
But it's getting a new heart soon. Should be back up.
We love you, Baru. We love Carrera Performance.
Love you, bless.
We give thanks and praise to Carrera Performance each and every time. Rastafari. There, man. We grow in higher heights. Yeah, man.
Everything bless.
Yeah, everything blessed. Irie.
I don't have
Drop a like.
Why is the seat-
It's a 6. These cars are nice. I love these cars, but can't ever find these no more. So Durango, like you said. It's WK1. Of course, we got Cheese M3 back here, 302 swapped with a turbo, if you don't know about that. Get hit. 454. There you go. So 1,000 mile ZL1, basically brand new. So BB's car. There you go. That's the V. As y'all know, drop a like, subscribe, comment. Ain't that right, Ashish?
Huh?
Drop a like, comment,
Like,
subscribe.
comment, subscribe. And I guess, you know what? We're gonna offer some free merchandise sometime in this video. Just stay tuned.